why one should be investing his or her money. So whenever you ask what you should be doing with your money, most preferably everybody who know about money will be telling you that to invest your money, right? Hi, this is Kenz from Milliondots, and here today I will be talking you about why you should be investing your money. So anyone in this world at a point of time will start to earn, right? Maybe it will be his or her salaries, maybe it will be the business remunerations you get, or whatever, you will be starting to earn. When you start to earn, it is quite obvious, right? You will be starting to manage your money knowingly or unknowingly. So basically when you say you manage your money, basically what you will be doing is the money you get as the salary or any other income or expenses or whatever it is. So what you does with this money is this: you keep it into two parts. You will be making a single part for expenses and another single part for your savings. So basically this is the basic money management you should be doing, okay? So if at all you are a person who does not keep a part of your money for savings, that's not a good idea. So you should be dividing the amount you get per month or whatever into two parts, that is one for your expenses, your day-to-day needs, etc., and the second one for savings. So the money that has been kept for savings is what we are giving focus on. The reason is that expenses, obviously we'll be having a lot of needs, do's, don'ts, etc. So we'll be doing that, the money will be spent it, right? So basically the rest of the money that we have is what we are going to manage, and it is usually done in two methods. Basically a normal person who save a part of money will be saving it as cash or bank, or he or she will be investing it in an asset, right? So when you ask a kind of advice or something with a financial advisor or financially non-knowledge person, he will be giving you an idea to invest. So the question is why you actually should be investing your money rather than just keeping it as cash or in bank. Here let me just give you an example of a person who have a salary around 30,000 rupees, where he will be having an expenses of 20,000 and he is ready to save 10,000 rupees per month. Okay, so this person is ready to save 10,000 rupees per month, and he is at the age of 30 and he is planning a retirement at 50 as well. So basically this particular person is planning to work for 20 years where he will be saving 10,000 rupees of his income every month for 20 years. So let us see how the math will be going if at all he is saving the money as cash itself and if at all he is investing it. So let's have a see to that. So here we are at an interest calculator or a compound interest calculator. We are using it for a different need, okay? So basically here we are using it to calculate the recurring deposits that we are going to make. As case 1, we are going to check how much a person will be accumulating if he is saving 10,000 rupees as cash for the next 20 years. So obviously what is the initial investment? It is 10,000 rupees, right? It is 10,000 rupees. So interest rate, basically you are keeping it as cash, you don't have an interest, so it is 0. And yes, he is trying to keep it for 20 years, right, till his retirement. And he is compounded monthly, since the interest rate is 0, we don't have a role in that, but still a monthly deposit, right? Every month he is saving 10,000 rupees, so it will be 10,000 rupees every month. So now let us calculate how much it will be, right? Here you can see it will be 24 lakh 10,000 rupees by the end of 20 years. It is not a very huge money, right? For 20 years of span, because he is being saving this for past 20 years every month 10,000 rupees, and it has been accumulated to 24 lakh rupees. You know, right, this particular sum is formed because he has been keeping it as cash without any returns on it. Now if at all he is investing that 10,000 rupees in a maybe 10% interest paying investment, be it a stock investment, be it mutual fund, be it bonds or whatever it is. 10% returns on an investment is pretty easy, I guess. So here, if his initial investment is 10,000 rupees, that is we're not changing anything, just the interest rate that is going to be changed. Okay, so basically let us consider he is able to earn 10% yearly interest or yearly profits from the investments he make. So the initial investment is 10,000 rupees itself, and he have an interest rate of 10%, that is he is earning 10% per annum with whatever money he invests, because he is being investing it in an asset rather than keeping it as cash, right? The years will be 20 itself, compounding monthly itself, the monthly deposit is 10,000 itself. There is no change in any other aspect. So now let us calculate how much it will be summing up to. So here you can see that value has been become 77,30,249 rupees. Right? Initially, when he was keeping this investment in a cash or a bank, he was accumulating up to 24 lakh, and this 24 lakh has been grown up to 77 lakh at the same time, as he have invested it in 10% ROI asset or 10% ROI mutual fund or any other investment script. So this is why investment is always kept over keeping money as cash or in bank. Okay, so let us see what are the major places where we can invest our money. So we have seen the difference that happen when we keep money as money or we are investing the money in an asset. Right? Basically, as people say, right, when you are investing your money, it is like you're making your money work for you. Right? There is a very famous quote from Warren Buffett, that is, if at all you don't find a way to make your money work for you, you will be working till lifetime. Right? So here we have that idea, we are investing the money in an asset. So those are the, we have seen the difference between investment and keeping it as cash or something. Right? So now we got an idea, right? Okay, investment is great. We have to be investing our money, right? We got that idea. But the question arises this, okay, I know I should be investing, but actually where should I be investing? I have a lot of places, right? It is diversified like anything. So where should I be actually investing? So that is a question, right? So here I have classified it into 4 major asset classes where you can make your investment. So the first one would be fixed income instruments. Fixed income instruments are like FDs, bonds, etc., which is very good option for you to invest if at all your priority is to protect your capital. Okay, which obviously will be having a bit less returns, but you can make sure that you are protecting your capital. The second one would be equity. Equity, which means the stocks that you trade on NSE and BSE, you can invest from a National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, which is a very good return investment. And there is the third one is real estate investment. Real estate investment, actually you need a large outlay of cash to be investing on real estate, but still it's a very great investment, and also your capital is to a very great extent it is protected, right? And there is commodities. Commodities in the sense, usually people invest in gold and silver. Actually Indians are obsessed to gold, right? So those are as well very good source of investment, a very good scheme of investment, where you cannot expect a very huge returns, as the historic data represent that gold and silver is giving you returns but not a very big one, but still it protects your capital to a very great extent, right? So basically majorly there are 4 important asset classes, which is fixed income instruments, equity or stocks, real estate and commodities. So here, in case of equity or stocks, there is a special interest or the special aspect when it comes to the stocks. That is, you can use it in 2 ways. Either to invest the amount of income that you generate or the amount that you keep aside for savings, you can use equity. The same way, the stocks, you can use it to actively earn as well, that is to trade, right? We basically people use stocks in 2 ways, in order to invest and to create an active income by stock trading. Since equity is the only aspect, or the stocks are the only aspect which have these two sides, we are just focusing on equity or stocks, and we will be giving you more idea on it. So basically we will be learning about stocks, on how to invest and how to actively create wealth over it. Okay, so we'll pick it and learn in depth of it. So I'll be creating a series on stock market which will teach you how to create an investment with stock market, as well as how to trade actively and create wealth using stock markets. So hope you guys will be subscribing and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.